Hi, I'm Danny, your resort manager here at Sun Outdoors Orange Beach. Thanks for booking your stay with us. Let me show you around. Our amenities are spread out through 127 developed acres, with the clubhouse and 3 pools being the core. Our restaurant offers breakfast, lunch, and dinner, as well as our beautiful poolside bar. Here at our general store, you can pick up your last-minute RV supplies, snacks, souvenirs, and apparel. Our guests stay very active, whether it's through our playground, a pickup game of basketball, volleyball, pickleball, or our fitness center. Our resort is pet-friendly. We have 4 dog parks, as well as a dog wash station, with the options of purchasing shampoo, conditioner, deodorizer, and flea and tick. It also comes with hot water and a hairdryer. Here at our resort, we want our guests to have the conveniences of home. We have 5 comfort stations that have showers and restrooms, and 4 laundry facilities that operate off a card or an app system. What makes our resort special is we're backed up to the Gulf State Park, which has natural habitat to wildlife, 28 miles of paved biking and hiking trails, and 8 different ecosystems. We are across the street from the Wharf Entertainment District, which hosts an amphitheater, shopping, and dining, and just blocks from the beautiful Gulf Coast beaches. We have a dedicated team here to enhance your stay, like our guest services team member, Erin.
Thanks, Danny. And if there's anything else I can do to make your stay even better, come see me in the Welcome Center.
Our resort offers a variety of RV sites to choose from, which includes back-ins, pull-ins, and pull-throughs. Each full hookup site comes with Adirondack chairs, propane fire pit, and picnic table. We also have outdoor kitchen site, which include refrigeration and cooking equipment. Download our Sun Outdoors mobile app where you can book your next day and plan your upcoming adventure. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Outdoors Orange Beach, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon.